2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got these super cute nails using the natural collection from Aprés. This is the Stiletto short, and the name of these are called Lila, and I did a whole video showing you guys every single color of that collection, so I will link it up on the top. This design was super simple, and it literally took me maybe 30 minutes to do the whole set, so I'm going to be showing you today how I achieve it. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, the first things first, you're going to apply your bonder and your primer. I use everything by Aprés because all systems are designed to work together. So if you do Gel X extensions, make sure you stick with everything Gel X to get the best performance out of your sets. So as you can tell, I'm putting this all over my natural nails, and after that I'm going to move on and apply the Gel X extension all over my natural nails, leaving a little bit of a gap towards the cuticle area. And then after I do that on all 5 fingers, or I should say all 10 fingers, I'm only showing you one hand, but all 10 fingers, I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the next step in the process. Okay, so I'm taking Lila, and I'm going to etch or create texture inside the tip. This is going to allow the nail to adhere better to the gel. If you put a smooth tip on nails, on your natural nails, they are not going to last. They're going to pop right off. Here I'm showing you the tip and the color that I'm using. Like I said, this is Stiletto short, and the color is Lila. Once I etch the inside of the nail, I'm going to take a little dollop, a little ball or whatever of the gel, and I'm going to put it on the tip, and I'm going to drop the nail at a 45-degree angle, okay? And the reason you do this is because you don't want the gel to be coming out the cuticle area if you lay it flat. You want to make sure you lay the tip at a 45-degree angle. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how I do this a few more times. Just keep on watching.
You have a taste, had a little cake. Now you gotta pay up if you wanna eat it too, babe. Chubby, chubby, I can put it on top. Legendary, I'm the one they all want. I'm the one, but now I want to be the one, and only for you. Baby, I can't wait much longer. Every minute needs you closer than body to body, eye to eye. Honey, don't be shy, let me in a side. Open your heart, why don't you give me love? It's not that hard, so go and give it up. Baby, you know I know that you love me. Tell me what we doing in the backseat. Oh, open your heart.
All right, so this is how they look. These look amazing by themselves. You could literally just leave them like this and top coat it, but you know, I'm gonna be a little bit extra, and I'm going to do a glitter top coat on this. But before that, I'm going to file and shape the nail to my desire. Sometimes the nails might be a little bit too wide, or the tip is a little bit too, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, I'll fix the tip, I fix the sides, and then after that, I'm going to take my e-file and I'm going to go around the cuticle area to remove any gel that might have spilled out, and I'm also going to go down the nail to remove the shininess. So when I put the gel top coat or whatever design I want to do on it, it doesn't slip and peel right off. You want to make sure you create texture. Like I said before, if you do any type of nails and you leave the surface smooth, the design, the tip, whatever is not going to last is going to pop right off. You know me, when I don't know what to do, I throw a glitter top coat on anything. So this is from Born Pretty. I'll put the name on the screen as well. I'm using this gel top coat, and of course my favorite cuticle oil. Smells amazing. I think it smells like strawberries or something. So here is a beautiful top coat. All I do is put it on the nail, and after that you're going to cure it and apply your cuticle oil, and that's it, you guys. Super simple nail design. This is if you're on a time crunch, if you're having a creative blockage and you don't know what to put on your nails. This is usually what I do. I do a neutral tip and I throw a glitter top coat on it. Also, Let me know if you're a glitter girl or what kind of girl you are. I am team glitter, sparkly, diamonds, rhinestones. That is me all the way.
Got some patience, but no, I won't wait all day. Let you have a taste, had a little cake. Now you gotta pay up if you wanna eat it too, babe. Chubby, chubby, I can put it on top. Legendary, I'm the one they all want. I'm the one, but now
All right, you guys, there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Look at the shine, look at the sparkle. Like, I am in love. I got so many compliments on this set and it's so easy to recreate. Let me know, like I said, what else you want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.